how's the goodbye people? I hope you guys are having a great and beautiful positive day. If you're new here, my name is Ferreira. I'm currently traveling around Vietnam and welcome to NELFELIFE. Today we left Nha Trang really early on a bus. Thank you for everything. Have a great day. It takes like 4 hours to get to the place we are right now, which is called Đà Lạt. So far I can tell you, very peaceful city, less people than the other places we have been to. The houses, everything looks so different. Obviously they love to horn. We found an amazing place to stay, Rong and Neil Family Hostel. Right now we're really hungry. We're trying to find a place to eat. We found the place. The food we're getting, Philly, stop eating my food. Philly got some noodles, I got some rice with beef for $2 Australian. Now I think we might have some dessert. Found this really cool place where you get this tray, you get to choose your desserts. Look, this baby right here. Woo! Come to Papa. I'm so happy right now. Coconut beer. Yeah, why not? First try.
The prophecy is true.
So good. Dinner is ready, I guess. Good morning, goodbye people. Today is our second day here in Đà Lạt. I will quickly show you the place I'm staying. This is the front part of the house. We have some really cool fishes. Here's the reception, our room, and that's Philly right there. To the other side of the house. And you find Neo right there. Yeah! Hi, how are you? He's one of the owners of the hostel. I'm a YouTuber, bro. I didn't tell you that. That's a secret, bro. That's that breakfast doing. Very cool. Good. The other side of the house. Bon appetit. Enjoy. Yeah. And look at this view. Look at this view. Oh my god, that's so cool. And you have bathroom, toilets, and that's me. Woo! Today we're planning to rent a motorbike. Đà Lạt is well known for their waterfalls. Let's seek for some adventure. Goodbye people, we made it to our first waterfall and look at this. We found our friend Rick. We met back in Nha Trang. How are you, bro?
I'm good, man.
That's good. Really sunny day. This sweater is killing me. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Woo! Goodbye people. We made it to our second waterfall. This one is called the Elephant's Waterfall. Nice day, nice practice. It's like 45 minutes away from the last one we visited.
That one right there is my boy Marsha. Look at him.
Do you have GPS on my phone? Are you tracking me?
Bro, I run into Rick on the other waterfall.
Did you actually?
Yeah. So good to see you.
Good to see you as well.
How is it?
Yeah, it was really cool.
I'm just really happy to see you again, mate.
Absolutely.
Really.
Well.
I always get to meet really nice people. Rick, Marshall, you guys rock, I swear. Woo! It's massive. And it also feels like so powerful. Apparently you can get somewhere behind the waterfall. I was kind of wondering why they call this waterfall Elephant. I was expecting some elephants or something, and then I realized they do have some elephants here. They're not alive though. Well, goodbye people. I think I will end the vlog just right here. Tonight we're taking another overnight bus because we're heading to Ho Chi Minh now. And apparently I will get to see a really good old friend of mine from Venezuela. He reached out to me and he told me he was living in Ho Chi Minh. Anyways, if you like this video, please make sure to leave a big thumbs up for me. Comment, share with your friends, and more importantly, don't forget to hit that red button for me. Subscribe, join NELFELIFE. We're all about positivity and sharing our good vibes to the world. So, good vibes, my beautiful people. I don't even know how to talk anymore. Good vibes for my beautiful people. Catch you guys on my next video. Woo!
Hey guys, my name is Neo. I'm from Vietnam, and today I wanna say what I believe in life. You know what? That's love and kindness and compassion. 3 things to make everyone happy. You can see my hand with the tattoo. Yeah. Okay. Peace.